power of understanding. Why tax knowledge matters. Taxes. The word alone can send shivers down your spine. We work hard for our money. It's natural to want to keep as much of it as possible. This is where understanding taxes comes in. Knowledge is power. This is especially true when it comes to your finances. Knowing how taxes work can save you money. It can also prevent costly mistakes. Don't let taxes intimidate you. They are manageable. With a little effort, you can gain the knowledge to navigate the tax world confidently. Remember, you deserve to keep more of your hard-earned money. Take charge of your financial future by understanding your taxes. Unlocking tax secrets. Insider tips for beginners. Ready to demystify taxes? Let's start with some insider tips. First, understand your filing status. Are you single, married, or head of household? Your filing status impacts your tax bracket. Next, explore potential deductions and credits. These are valuable tools to reduce your tax liability. Common deductions include student loan interest and mortgage interest. Keep meticulous records throughout the year. Organize your receipts, invoices, and financial statements. This makes tax season less stressful. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Tax laws can be complex. If you're unsure about something, seek guidance from a professional. Simplifying the complex resources to enhance your knowledge. Don't feel overwhelmed. Many resources are available to simplify taxes. The IRS website offers a wealth of information. You can find publications, forms, and answers to frequently asked questions. Consider attending tax workshops or webinars. These provide valuable insights from experts in an easy-to-understand format. Numerous books and online courses cater to beginners. They break down complex tax concepts into digestible pieces. Remember, building tax knowledge is an ongoing process. Stay updated on changes in tax laws. This ensures you're always informed and prepared. Bells Accounting, your trusted partner in navigating taxes. Feeling lost in the world of taxes? You don't have to navigate it alone. Bell's Accounting, Tax, and Notary Services is here to help. Our team of experienced professionals provides personalized guidance tailored to your unique financial situation. We handle everything from tax preparation to planning and consulting. At Bell's Accounting, we believe in empowering our clients. We take the time to explain complex tax concepts in a clear and concise manner. Your financial well-being is our priority. Contact Bell's Accounting, Tax, and Notary Services today. Let us help you achieve your financial goals while minimizing your tax liability. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to support our channel and stay updated with more valuable content.